In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Repl in Replit. If you've decided a project is no longer needed, I'll walk you through removing it cleanly and safely. I'll also point out a few tips so you don't accidentally delete the wrong thing. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Replit. In the results, look for the official Replit website. It should show the familiar Replit branding and domain. Click that result to go straight to the homepage. Once you're on the Replit site, find and click the Login button, typically located at the top right. You'll be prompted to sign in. You can continue with Google or use your email and password. Choose whatever you normally use for your Replit account and complete the sign-in flow. If you're using an email and password, enter your credentials carefully. If you're using Google, select the correct account so you land in the right workspace. After logging in, you'll arrive at your Replit dashboard. This is where all your repls, your individual coding projects, are listed. If you have a lot of projects, use the search bar or filters to quickly find the specific REPL you want to delete. Double-check the name, description, or recent activity so you know you're selecting the correct one. If you're unsure, you can click into the REPL to confirm its contents, then return to the dashboard. When you've located the REPL you want to remove, look for the three-dot icon, also called the kebab menu, next to the project's name. Click that icon to open the context menu for that REPL. In the menu that appears, click Delete. Replit will usually ask you to confirm the deletion. This is your final checkpoint. Read the confirmation message carefully. Some accounts may require you to type the project name to confirm. Make sure you're deleting the right REPL because once it's deleted, you generally won't be able to recover it. If there's anything you might need later, consider downloading or copying important files before you proceed. Confirm the deletion, and Replit will remove the project from your dashboard. Take a moment to refresh the page or glance through your list to verify it's gone. If you work in a team or shared environment, note that permissions may limit who can delete certain REPLs, and you might need the appropriate access. That's it. Open Replit, log in, find your REPL, click the three dots, and choose Delete. With those steps, you can keep your workspace tidy and focused on the projects that matter.